Hello my friends and welcome to this new video. Today I teach you how to make a chocolate flan. You will see how easy it is and only requires a few ingredients and time. See you right away in the kitchen to see it. We start by pouring the milk into a saucepan. We add the sugar, the agar-agar powder, then the bitter cocoa. The latter will dissolve on heating. We will put our mixture on the fire, stirring constantly. Now see how well the cocoa has incorporated into the milk with the heat. When the mixture comes to a boil, you count 30 seconds to a minute and you can remove yourself from the heat. Let the preparation cool before molding it in the containers of your choice. After cooling, put your flans in the fridge for at least 3 hours. You can then enjoy your chocolate flans. It's delicious, you'll see. There you go, my friend. All I have to do is say hello and see you soon for the next video. Au revoir mes amis et à très bientôt.